I got my face lasered for the very first time, and it better be fucking worth it because it was $500 and I was so nervous. My main areas of concern are fine lines, hyperpigmentation, enlarged pores, and just overall skin texture. I got the moxi laser, which is the lowest intensity laser treatment. This has minimal downtime, which ranges from 5 to 7 days. However, there is some pain involved, so this is actually my skin before the laser treatment, and this is just from the numbing solution. This is my skin directly after, and it just looks like I have a really bad sunburn. This is my skin an hour later, and most of the redness is actually gone. I also didn't feel any pain afterwards at all, and during the treatment, I'd say the pain was somewhere around a 5 to a 6, but maybe I'm just more sensitive than others. This is my skin about 5 hours later, and like I said before, the redness isn't too bad. What's really cool is you can actually see the hyperpigmentation get brought to the surface here. This is the end of the day after I've showered and washed my face. I had to do a very gentle routine compared to my normal, so all I did was wash it, and then I applied 2 different moisturizers. This is day 2, and there's no redness, but you can just see all the little scabbies, and honestly, seeing them kind of made my skin crawl, but at this point you could actually wear makeup and lots of sunscreen if you're going outside. And this is the end of day 2 after I've showered and did a gentle skincare routine. This is the beginning of day 3 after I've washed my face, and I think this is honestly the worst day, not because of the redness, but because of all the little scabbies that you can see. But despite all of that, I feel like my skin is actually starting to glow a little bit, but maybe I'm just making that up in my head. This is my skin at the beginning of day 4, and I think it's starting to look really good. However, my skin is really itchy and flaky, and it's so hard to not just scratch it all off. I'll make a part 2 to show you what the end results look like.